How are you guys doing? Today I have yet another simple but delicious recipe. Some stir-fried vegetables with sauteed chicken pieces made in some orange juice sauce. And check the description box below, you'll have all the details there. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Give this video a thumbs up and share my video. So let's get right into the kitchen. I have some broccoli, onions, sweet pepper, and you can use any type of onions, okay? Some soy sauce, cornstarch, along with some ginger, garlic, orange juice, some sesame seed. I also have some black pepper and salt. The chicken has been pre-seasoned once you soak it with vinegar, lime, and salt, so it doesn't need much seasonings, guys. I am going to also add some frozen carrots into this recipe, but I do not want to show it to you now because I like to remove my frozen stuff directly from the freezer into the pan. So as I work, you're going to see the other ingredients. Now I'm adding a little bit of sesame oil over the chicken cuts, a little bit of salt, and some black pepper, and mix this well. I'm also going to be using some smoked paprika, some dried herbs. This is a combination of seasonings that I did mix together, and I will leave all the ingredients in the description box below. Mix this well and set it aside to marinate for 30 minutes. Toast the sesame seeds in a small frying pan over medium heat, shaking the pan occasionally until seeds are golden, and you want to do this for about 1 minute and then set it aside. Now I'm mixing the orange juice, soy sauce, cornstarch, and you can also add some honey. Mix them well until they're thoroughly combined. When this is done, just set it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat and add the chicken pieces. Now because these are chicken breasts, they do not take long to cook. Alright? These take about 2.5 minutes to 3 minutes, and that's all you want, guys. Just stir it well. Now add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and just toss them around. So these breasts are finished now, and I'm going to set them aside. Add another pan over medium heat with 2 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil gets hot, here I add the minced garlic and ginger. And you want to stir this continuously until aromatic. You do not want the garlic to burn, but to get a nice golden color. Add the onions and the broccoli and just toss these around for 1 minute. Add the frozen carrots directly from the freezer right into this pan and stir them again for another 2 minutes. You can see at this time how beautiful my carrots come down. With the heat, I'm now going to add my red bell pepper and stir fry until crisp tender. Add the orange juice mixture and cook, stirring continuously until thickened for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. Add the sauteed chicken into the vegetables and stir, making sure that everything is well combined. At this time, I did turn the fire off from under the pot, and I'm gonna just mix everything well until they are well coated with the sauce. Transfer to a serving platter. Guys, this is so tasty, trust me, with the ginger. Oh my goodness, this is nice. You can see as I'm dipping how that juice is falling. Place them just like so. Pour that goodness right over there. You want to get all the juice out from the pan, guys. Now I'm going to sprinkle my vegetables with some golden toasted sesame seeds. Sprinkle those sesame seeds right over the top, guys. They are so crunchy and nice. I'm also adding a few little nuts like almond nuts, some honey roasted nuts, and this is optional. Look at this, guys. So beautiful, so simple, so easy, and so tasty. So go try my recipe, guys. Just follow the simple and easy instructions and you are going to come out with a very great product. You're going to get a very nice, colorful, tasty chicken stir fry orange juice recipe, all right? This is one of my favorite stir fries because it is incredibly saucy and I'm telling you, it tastes amazing. The broccoli is still bright green, the pepper is crisp, the sauce is thick, and this is heavenly. I just love my brown rice, but you can cook your nice white fluffy rice to go with this, or you can use it as it is. Check the description box below for my other social medias and send me a picture when you do try this recipe on Instagram and I will give you a shout out. This is beautiful yet vibrant. Oh my goodness. Make make this recipe at home, guys. It is cheap, it is easy. Again, I'm saying this over and over, and your family is going to love you for this recipe. All right, so continue coming to my channel, and you are going to be experiencing much more cheap, as I would say, simple and easy step by step recipes. So enjoy, and I will see you soon. Bye.